bagong iblo
Hello everyone! At to Sara Residence, Rosa Residence in Pinum Life Village. To celebrate my sister Cecil Tusara Erosa on her 68th birthday. Hello sister, happy birthday! Wish you good health, long life. Your cake is to be followed, ha? Okay? Okay, nasarado na tayo. Late na yung ano natin, event natin. At least kahit pa paano makaraos din. Okay, I wish na.
Tita, happy birthday!
That's your temporary cake. Sige, sige.
Make a wish!
Okay.
Yung pinto mama sa langit.
Yay!
God bless everyone! With Julian. Hello, Julie! Hi! Princess, ano sabihin mo dito sa Cecil mo?
Happy birthday, tita!
Julie, sabihin mo kay mama mo.
Happy birthday, mami.
Okay. Wish you good health. Happy birthday, sister. Wish you good health, long life, ha? May our Lord Jesus Christ, bless you. And keep you safe and healthy always. With the family. God bless everyone. Okay. Andre. Hello. Okay.